こうきょう. It appears when talking about city services, places everyone uses, and shared rules. 公共、街のサービス、みんなで使う場所、ルールの話でよく出てくるよ。It is used as a noun and as a na adjective. 公共 literally refers to things shared by everyone and related to society or the community, often managed by government. みんなで使う。社会のみんなに関係する。役所や町全体に関わる。という漢字の意味です。The first kanji means public or official and points to things open to everyone. You can see it in koen, a park anyone can enter. It also appears in kokai, which means opening something to everyone. So it often signals openness and access. The second kanji means together or shared. It appears in kyōtsu, meaning something in common. You also meet it in kyōdō, meaning doing something jointly. It highlights sharing and acting together. This station has public toilets. この駅には公共のトイレがあります。この駅には公共のトイレがあります。I use public transportation. 私は公共交通を利用します。私は公共交通を利用します。The public facilities are clean. 公共施設はきれいです。公共施設はきれいです。Please be quiet in public places. 公共の場では静かにしてください。公共の場では静かにしてください。The most common synonym of the word is 公的. 公的 leans toward official or government-related contexts, while 公共 focuses on what is shared and used by society at large. The most common antonym of the word is 私的. 私的 is about personal or private matters, the opposite of things meant for everyone.